I've been extremely excited to get behind the wheel and take a look at this new Hyundai Staria van. Much like the name suggests, something from the stars, it's got a real space-aged styling. On the outside, the large windows, that very imposing looking front with that light bar, the LED cluster. Here we are driving the luxury trim level, the top trim spec, and really they've moved the goalpost in terms of what the old H1 did, and really to give a much more luxurious feel to the bus market. Now what you find with this vehicle is, particularly on this luxury trim spec, there is a lot going on in the way of technology and features. In front of me, a digital instrumentation cluster with a lot of nifty tricks there. If I want to change lanes now, for instance, I indicate, I'm getting a camera there which shows me clearly what's going on in that side, or a camera on the other side of the vehicle. There's 360-degree cameras here, of course that for backing up. And apart from all of this, it's seated up here in these lovely Napa leather chairs with the interesting looking trim accents that you get on the luxury trim level, such as those bronze, the grille up front and the bronze mirror housings, and even the suede roof lining, that you can really sit back and enjoy what they've put together here. I've got heated and ventilated seats, for instance, and in terms of the active and passive safety systems, well, there are just loads of them on here. You can press this one, which gives you an assisted driving mode. I can let go now of the bus, simply sit back and let it take control. Apart from that, you find that you're getting a lot in the way of multimedia here with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you get a lot of interesting seat configurations. In fact, to show you more, let me quickly jump across back there and we'll discuss those seats. Here seated in the back of the new Hyundai Staria, well, this luxury trim, that you can really get to grips with what they've done with this vehicle, this bus here. Yes, it's more expensive than that of its predecessor, the outgoing H1, but really they've moved on the game here in terms of the luxury elements. The suede roof, for instance, you get in this luxury trim level these captain's chairs here at the back. You can have them in different configurations. Here, as you can see, we've got seats here as well as the bench behind, extremely comfortable. They're also heated and ventilated. I've got easy access here to air vents, my own air conditioning controls over there, and a ton of USBs around the cabin. It really is a very versatile, very expansive place to be seated with a lot of space here. You also notice that the side windows, if you take a look on the outside of the vehicle or in here, give a lot of light here and a sense of a real premiumness thanks to the way that they're larger and just the easy access of everything. Even the doors here is a little push button where if we press that, it electronically opens and closes. They really have thought of all the luxuries. With the drivetrain and a lot of the underpinnings coming off Hyundai's recently launched Palisade, this Staria bus is powered by a 2.2 turbo diesel motor with 130 kilowatts, 430 newton meters of torque. It puts its power down really well, it feels very premium, and it's a very solid, smooth car to drive. You also get the 8-speed automated transmission with a shift-by-wire arrangement here, these little buttons to jump into your gear selector. And what you're getting here is a very comfortable, premium place to be seated. I love the styling, I love the space-aged elements which it brings to the party, the LED lighting all around the body, and overall its wealth of different configurations, settings, color options, and wheel choices. It really is a glimpse into what Hyundai are bringing to the market in terms of their luxury vehicle offering, and it really is very impressive. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.